Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to slay this beautiful short bob wig. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to slay this beautiful bob wig. When I got this bob wig, it looks like just the regular bob, and I have lots of bob wigs, so I'm like, let me try something different and let me just do a little bit here and there, do a little bit of trimming and all that to give it a little bit of a different look and to make it look shorter. So that's what I decided to do for this video, and that's what I decided to do for this hair. What do you guys think? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And this wig is from Sogoodhair Company. I'm gonna put all the hair specs in the description box. It's a very affordable beautiful bob wig. So guys, without further ado, let's just get into this video. Hi guys, so the hair came in through DHL. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So this is what the wig looks like. So right here I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation on the lace front part of the wig to give it a more natural look. Then right here I'm gonna section the hair into 3. So right here I'm going to begin with my trimming. I'm starting from the down section. I'm going to start trimming it towards the right side. So I decided to go for this length this time. If you want, you can make yours shorter. But it's good to be, to go in gradually, because when you do it too short, you will not be able to replace the hair. So it's better you just take your time and do it gradually so that you make sure you get the desired length you want.
Show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and
video. So I'm just gonna start with the other side in front. I'm gonna keep going in sections by sections.
You a murder me. You a murder me. You a murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy. She a murder me. She dey murder me. This body, baby, oh. Vicky's bad man, I see. Bulaka. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, You a murder me, You a murder me. You a murder me.
So this is what it looks like. At this point I'm okay with the length, but of course you can make yours shorter. So I tried to comb it out first to check the length very well. Right here I'm just going through the wig, you know, just trimming out a little bit of the areas I want to be trimmed out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Sheer Moisture, I think, leave-in conditioner. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my olive oil serum. It's a heat protectant serum.
Show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that.
So right here, I'm gonna start straightening the hair with my hair straightener.
Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy. She a murder me. She did murder me. This body, baby, oh. Vicky's bad man, I see. Bulaka. His body, baby, oh. Oh Lord of His mercy. I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be my spin.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. So right here, I'll be going in with my Got to Be Glued Freak Spray. I will not be using the glue for this tutorial. And then right here, I'm gonna go ahead and slick down my edges. And then I'll tie a scarf on it, allow it to sit for about 5 minutes. I'll take off the scarf, and this is the final look, guys. I absolutely love this wig. I really do. I love the final result, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys very soon. I love you guys. Bye.
Camaro, baby, Camaro. Give them Panado, cause your ED is a bomb. Camaro, baby, Camaro. Give them Panado, cause your ED is